This time, a fork seal replacement tutorial. A step-for-step or how-to instruction. And tricks to avoid expensive, special tools. Plus head bearing renewal and test drive. Welcome to ABCD videos. First we get the bike on the lift. Then we jack it up, freeing the wheel from the ground. Lastly, time to get the forks out. Remove the cap at the top of the forks. Time to drain the old oil out. Remove the bolt holding the springs. The fork internals are now loose. Carefully wiggle out the retainer and seal. Then, remove the circlip with a screwdriver. The spring assembly can now be removed. Separate the inner tube with gentle pulls. And remove retainers and the collar. See plenty more motorbike videos on my channel. Important is to clean the insides also. The black residue in the corners needs to go, so a more thorough clean is needed. Now it is perfectly shiny again. Pitting is usually what causes fork leaks. So carefully inspect the surface's smoothness. In my case, only very minor pitting. This is still possible to polish. But this type of pitting might need a re-chrome. I use an abrasive cloth to polish it. Please subscribe if you like this video. A 7000 grit sandpaper for final polishing. Repeat until it is 100% smooth again. Now, installing original Honda parts. Lubing up the parts for easier assembly. And assembling is the reverse order. Now the trick to avoid expensive tools. Cut a piece out of the old oil dust seals. Slide the old seal on top of the new one. Now gently tap it in place. Be mega cautious not to damage the stem. Then remove the old seal again. And position the circlip to hold it. For the dust seal we do the same trick. Place the old seal on top and gently tap. Before removing the old one again. Next up is lowering the spring assembly. Make sure to tighten the bolt firmly.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Check your manual for the correct oil amount. Leave a comment if this video was helpful. Now gently pour the oil in the fork. Take your time and do not spill anything. That is it, time to put the cap back on. And tighten it properly. Get the oil circulating, to remove air bubbles. I replaced my head bearings also. First gently removing the parts. Before greasing up the fresh ones. Make sure to lube inside and outside. Then refit the bottom bearing. And the new bearing ring at the top. Again reusing the old one to get it flush. Gentle taps, making sure it sits even. Now fit the headstock from the bottom. Put the bearing and washers in place. Now the final assembly of the forks. Fitting all the components back on. Once assembled, it is time for a test ride. Always cross-check for leakages. Hope this was useful. See you next time.